In this video you will learn how to organize your repositories. Clicking on Find will take you to the Explorer. Here, you can switch between your object and model repositories, as well as quick access. Restrict your search to a certain object type and choose whether or not you want to visualize folders. You can remove the filters one by one. Click here to open an additional window. Add as many windows as you need. And easily close them when you don't need one anymore. Looking for a specific object or model? Simply type the name into the search box at the top of the Explorer. Using multiple Explorer windows is great for organizing elements. You can create new groups. And easily drag objects or models from one window to the other. Have a look at the Adu IT online help for more information.